तो पिलामाने आज ये भिडियो द डॉक्टर्स वार्ड विषय किसी वस्तुनिष्ठ प्रश्न उत्तर गुड़ी आलोचना करवा। व्हाट डज ऑन वन्स लास्ट लेग्स मीन? वेरी सिक, वीक एंड अबाउट टू डाई, नॉट इन वन्स गुड हेल्थ, ऑल ऑफ द एबव। उत्तर है वीक एंड अबाउट टू डाई। When did people come to Dr. Raman? When the patient was very sick, when the patient had almost no hope, when the patient collapsed, when the patient had recovered a little. उत्तर है when the patient had almost no hope. Why did Dr. Raman often burst out when he found the patient in his last breath? Why wasn't he brought to him earlier? Why was he taken to another doctor? Why had the family members treated him wrong? Why was his condition so serious? Uttara hai why wasn't he brought to him earlier? What was Dr. Raman's visiting fee? 20 rupees, 25 rupees, 30 rupees, 35 rupees. Uttara hai 25 rupees. What fact did people like to avoid? That the patient had less hope, that the visiting fees of Dr. Raman was high, that Dr. Raman means death sentence, that the patient could not be saved no matter what. Uttara hai that the patient had less hope. The patient's relatives always tried to avoid calling in Dr. Raman. For them, there was something dash in the very association: serious, unnecessary, threatening, shirking. Uttar hai threatening. So when the big man came on the scene, it was always dash, the last moment, critical for the patient, a quick decision to make, late. Uttara hai a quick decision to make. What has long years of practice bred in the doctor? Experience to save lives, a certain manner of rudeness, a certain degree of kindness, a certain court of truthfulness. Uttara hai a certain court of truthfulness. Why was the doctor's opinion valued? For his experience, for his kindness, for his truthfulness, for his expertise. Uttara hai for his truthfulness. Dr. Raman was not a mere doctor expressing an opinion, but ever and dash, judge pronouncing a verdict, kind man helping patients, expert saving lives, experienced consultant. Uttara hai judge pronouncing a verdict. What did the patient's life hang on? Dr. Raman's experience, Dr. Raman's treatment, Dr. Raman's words, Dr. Raman's kindness. Uttara hai Dr. Raman's words. What did Dr. Raman never believe? True words can save life. Mere words can save life. Agreeable words can save life. God's will can save life. Uttara hai agreeable words can save life. Why did Dr. Raman think that it was not any of his business to provide unnecessary hope to the patients and their family? Because they could ultimately know the truth in few hours, because it was none of his business, because he was not that kind hearted, because it was not his duty to give people hope. Uttara hai because they would ultimately know the truth in few hours. What would Dr. Raman do if he glimpsed the faintest sign of hope? Pause all other works and perform operation. Do whatever he could to save the patient. Give hope to the patient and his family. Prepare to fight with death. Uttara hai do whatever he could to save the patient. Why did Dr. Raman needed someone to tell him soothing lies? Because his dearest friend was ill, because he had lost all hope, because he was heartbroken, because he knew soothing lies can save lives. Uttara hai because his dearest friend was ill. How long had Dr. Raman and Gopal been friends? 20 years, 35 years, 40 years, 50 years. Uttara hai 40 years. How long had Dr. Raman and Gopal been associated? From their kindergarten days, from their nursery days, from their high school days, from their college days. Uttara hai from their kindergarten days. Why couldn't Dr. Raman and Gopal meet often? They had a fight. They didn't like each other that much. Being busy in their lives. Gopal was sick. Uttara heba. Being busy in their lives. How was the friendship of Dr. Raman and Gopal? Happy, old, untouched by changing circumstances, unaltered by their responsibilities. Uttara heba. Untouched by changing circumstances. What would the two friends do occasionally on Sundays? Watch a picture, dine together, talk about their lives, all of the above. Uttar hai ba, all of the above. How long have Gopal not been called in Dr. Raman? For over 2 months, for over 3 months, for over 4 months, for over 5 months. Uttar hai ba, for over 3 months. Question number 22. How was Gopal's son? Nervous and shy, sad and dejected, nervous and sad, shy and dejected. Uttara hai nervous and shy. Who had sent for Dr. Raman? Gopal's son, Gopal's wife, Gopal, Gopal's mother. Uttara hai Gopal's wife. Where did Gopal live? In Lawley Extension, near the hospital, near Dr. Raman's apartment, in lowest colony, Uttar Heba, in Lawley Extension. How long has Gopal been in bed? 2 months, 1.5 months, 2.5 months, 3 months. Uttar Heba, 1.5 months. Who was attending Gopal? A doctor in Dr. Raman's hospital, a doctor near Gopal's house, a doctor in the next street, a doctor in Lawley Extension, Uttar Heba, a doctor in the next street. The doctor who was attending Gopal came once in dash and gave him medicines. A week, 3 days, 2 days, a day. Uttar Heba, 3 days. Why was the doctor upset with Gopal's family? As they hadn't informed him earlier, as they hid the truth from him, as they had called another doctor, as the doctor treating Gopal was not qualified. Uttar Heba, as they hadn't informed him earlier. How were Gopal's family members? Dejected and anxious, nervous and sad, apologetic and miserable, heartbroken. Uttar Heba, apologetic and miserable. Why hadn't they sent for Dr. Raman earlier? They didn't want to trouble the doctor. They were not sure about calling him. They didn't want to pay the high visiting fee. They knew calling in Dr. Raman meant death. Uttar Heba, they didn't want to trouble the doctor. Question number 31. Whom did Dr. Raman ask to be sent away? The family members except Gopal's wife, the children except the eldest, the family members except Gopal's son, everybody, Uttara Heba, the children except the eldest. For how long the doctor gazed at his friend's face? Over an hour, half an hour, 2 hours. Uttara Heba, over an hour. Why or how did the doctor's face gleamed with sweat? Light fell on him. His friend responded to the medicine with fatigue. Uttara Heba, with sweat. Why did Gopal's wife ask to make some coffee for the doctor? He looked fatigued. He was hungry. He was sleepy. He felt restless. Uttara Heba, he looked fatigued. Why did Dr. Raman feel hungry? He had not eaten in 2 days. He had skipped his lunch. He had skipped his breakfast and lunch. He was not hungry. Uttara Heba, he had skipped his lunch. What did Dr. Raman ask Gopal's wife when he was leaving? To make him some lunch, to feed Gopal simple lunch, not to disturb Gopal, not to let Gopal sleep on any account. Uttara Heba, not to disturb Gopal. With whom did the doctor return? An assistant and a nurse, another doctor and a nurse, his assistant, two nurses. Uttara Heba, an assistant and a nurse. Whom did Dr. Raman want to stay to help them in the operation? Gopal's son, Gopal's wife, the doctor in the next street, his attendant, Uttara Heba, Gopal's son. Where did Dr. Raman perform Gopal's operation? In his house, in Gopal's house, in his hospital, In the hospital near Gopal's house. Uttar ହେବ in Gopal's house. When did the patient open his eyes? At 8 in the evening, at 12 in the afternoon, at 2 that night, at 8 the next morning. Uttar ହେବ at 8 in the evening. Who was overjoyed when the patient opened his eyes and his pulses had improved? The doctor, the patient's wife, the attendant, the nurse. Uttar ହେବ the attendant. Who was not very hopeful about the recovery of Gopal? Dr. Raman, the attendant, Gopal's son, the nurse. Uttar ହେବ Dr. Raman. Why did the family members pour out their gratitude on the doctor? Gopal had taken food after long. Gopal had shown slight improvement. Gopal was healthy again. Gopal was recovering very fast. Uttar ହେବ Gopal had shown slight improvement. What did the doctor ask Gopal's wife to give him every 40 minutes? Glucose and food, glucose and medicine, glucose and brandy, glucose and injection. Uttar ହେବ glucose and brandy. Why was Gopal's wife terrified even after Gopal had shown slight improvement? Dr. Raman was avoiding her questions. Dr. Raman was talking to Gopal. Gopal was not taking any food. Gopal couldn't recognize anyone. Uttar ହେବ Dr. Raman was avoiding her questions. Why was Gopal's pulse agitated? He was exerted. He was happy. He was dejected. He was curious. Uttar ହେବ he was exerted. Question number 47. What did Gopal ask Dr. Raman? Was his time near? Will he be alright? What had happened to him? Why was his wife crying? Uttar ହେବ was his time near? Why did Gopal want to know how much time he had? He wanted to see his son. He wanted to divide his property. He wanted to sign his will. He wanted to prepare his will. Uttar ହେବ he wanted to sign his will. What did Gopal want the doctor to do? To sign his will for him, to sign his will as a witness, to give his will to his son, to ask his wife to bring the will. Uttar ହେବ to sign his will as a witness. What would leaving his property unsettled mean for Gopal's wife and children? Dispute, curse, unhappy circumstances, endless misery. Uttar ହେବ endless misery. Why did the doctor wish to run away? He didn't want to answer his friend's question. He didn't want to see his friend die. He was unable to save his dearest friend. He wanted to escape the truth. Uttar ହେବ he didn't want to answer his friend's question. Why couldn't the doctor ask his friend to sign the will? It couldn't settle his family affair. The doctor knew his friend was alive. It would mean death sentence to him. He didn't want his friend to exert himself. Uttar ହେବ it would mean death sentence to him. This was the first time Dr. Raman was going to dash before a patient. Do a piece of acting, say agreeable words, say truthful words, sign a will. Uttar ହେବ do a piece of acting. Question number 54. Why did Gopal say, if it comes from your lips, it must be true to the doctor? Dr. Raman was known to be truthful. Dr. Raman was his friend. Dr. Raman had never lied to him. Dr. Raman knew his family affairs well. Uttar ହେବ Dr. Raman was known to be truthful. What did Dr. Raman ask his attendant to expect in the Lawley extension case? Recovery, death, critical assistance, special care requirement. Uttar ହେବ death. Whom did Dr. Raman ask to go to Gopal's house? His assistant, Gopal's son, a nurse, the doctor in the next street. Uttar ହେବ his assistant. When was the doctor back at his friend's house the next morning? At 8, at 10, at 11, at 12. Uttar ହେବ at 10. How was the patient when Dr. Raman arrived? Awake and well, asleep and recovering, awake and cheerful, dead. Uttar ହେବ awake and well. What did the assistant report? Quick recovery, good health, ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟୋରି ପଲ୍ସ, ମାଇଲ୍ଡ ଫିଭର, ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟୋରି ପଲ୍ସ। What did Dr. Raman say to Gopal's wife? Gopal will be fine soon. Gopal was fine. Gopal will live to be 90. Gopal will sign his will. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ Gopal will live to be 90. What will the doctor bet on? His friend will live. His friend will recover soon. His friend will be healthy. His friend will not have another attack. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ His friend will live.